Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to remove someone from the share list on Instagram. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, what we can do is we can start by opening up the Instagram application. So tap on it to open it up and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And once you are here, what you may do is you may just go over to the person's profile by searching for the username, or you can look out for the following yourself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and follow that for one of my following. So go to your profile for that. And once you go to your profile, you can look out for this following section and tap on it and select the person whom you want to remove from the share list on Instagram. So go ahead and tap on that person's profile. And once you find their profile, all you gotta do is basically go ahead and restrict or block their account. So when you restrict or block someone, it will prevent them from appearing in the suggestions. So you can just go over and look out for the three dot in the top right corner for that and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can select the option of restrict and just go ahead and confirm it up, and it will basically hide that particular person from the share list on Instagram. If not that, you can directly block them. For that, look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it, and from there look out for the block option and tap on it, and you may just go over and confirm this pop-up right here saying block. So just go ahead and tap on it and confirm your choice. That will remove them from your share list suggestions, and that is it. So that is it, everybody. If you want to go ahead and remove someone from your share list on Instagram, you may head over and follow up these steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.